The digital escape plan. Replace stress with systems. The digital escape plan, 3 ways to build freedom now. The biggest crisis in 2025 isn't inflation or layoffs. It's people stuck with no escape plan. I know that pain. At 70, I couldn't retire and I had to start over. What saved me was realizing the internet had leveled the playing field. 3 ways to build your escape plan. Learn once, earn forever. Digital products pay you long after you create them. Automate your efforts. Stop trading time for money. Let systems scale your work. Stack streams of income. Don't depend on one source. Create layers of security. What would financial freedom mean to you in real time? Don't just watch, take action. Start today with my blueprint at hollypringdailypay.com. It's free to explore. Previous videos to watch: why retirement plans are failing millions. Link is right below. Next video coming up soon: escaping the 40-year work trap. The worst plan is no plan. Even a small baby step today creates freedom for tomorrow, all your tomorrows. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Quote by Peter Drucker. And feel free at any time, reach out to me. I'm here to help you succeed and win.